Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's about the best that you. So today guys, I'm going to do an unboxing video for y'all. Yes, I'm back with another unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing my new ring light that came yesterday in my mail. So yes, that's what we are going to do today. If you are excited just like I am, make sure you stay tuned. Guys, make sure you comment under this video, make sure you like, share, do all of that without wasting much of your time. Let's get straight to this video. Okay, so you guys, this is the box. It's a very long box. So let's just start to open it. Yeah, let's just start to open it. If you guys are excited, but I am guys. I am excited. It's so hard. Even make it for female like me to open it is so hard to open. Okay, so I don't know why Amazon does that sometimes. Like they take a big box and then put a small box in it. I don't know why. So you're about to see. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, look. So they took this big box and then they put the other box inside of it. So look. Look how small it is, guys. Look how small it is. But they had to make it a big deal. Look. Look at that big box. Amazon. I have no words for you. Oh my god. This is so funny. But anyway, let's proceed. So this ring light doesn't come up with a bag. Like if you're going, that's the only thing I don't like about it. Like if I'm going somewhere and I would like to pack my ring light, I won't be able, like I won't have like anything to put it in. Yeah, that's the only part I don't like about it. But apart from that, when I read the review, they were pretty much good. The reviews were pretty much good. Okay. Okay, so I dropped the knife. So sorry. It's because, guys, I don't know. Yeah, can get out to see what's in it. Last time, like the first ring light I had, my cousin put it up for me. But now, okay now. So that's the tripod. Okay. I can tell that the tripod is very firm, guys. Yeah, it's very firm. Oh, guys. Oh, excuse me. Okay. This is like. See this? You see the tripod that is still? See how firm it is? I'll show you a difference between the one I have now and okay. Now I guess this is the light. Oh snap. My ring light, yeah, my lightning is going to be the bone.com. Let's just say that, okay? Ooh, I'm excited, yeah. I'm excited. Are you excited for me, guys? Guys, are you excited for me? Because I am. This looks like we're trying to make some movie over here, you know? Oh, I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. Okay, let me just put it over here so I don't break it. Yeah. Another piece. That's the last part that was in the box, guys. Okay, this right here, let's work on, this is where, this is the stuff I'm gonna use if it's like a camera, if it's like to hold the phone or the camera. This is the charger. Yeah. Guys, I'll put the link in the description box so you guys can see which one that I purchased on Amazon. Okay. Alright. I guess this is for me to, change the settings if I want. Okay, so I gotta put it in place. Okay, now this ring light is top model. I can't, guys, I can't. Oh my god. Okay, so let's try to put it on, right? Okay, my beautiful kings and queens, I didn't want to make this video too long, so I put it together myself, and this is how it looks. You can see my old ring light, and then you can see the new one. The new one is the tallest one, yeah, and I'm in love with it. Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching.